Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I am just giving you a brief tour of my garden. Yes, a garden update. I'm showing you my zinnias that have sprouted from seed. This is my first time planting zinnias. And then I have some peas that I just sprouted 5 days ago. I have another batch, but I just wanted to show you that. It's doing good. We've been getting a lot of rain, and I have some of my leaves are starting to turn yellow, so I will have to treat that because of all the rain. You can see the ground is wet and it's raining now. I have some squash that has flowered, and there is some zucchini in there and some corn. My peppers. I have some purple onions here, some Brussels sprouts, some cabbage. There's 2 different varieties of cabbage, some more cabbage, purple cabbage, oregano, some oregano that has sprouted from seed. I've got some Swiss chard right in this area. Some more Swiss chard, some Thai basil, some chives, oregano behind the basil, and I've got some beans that have sprouted, some more thyme, and some chives. And then I planted some mums from seed, and they've sprouted already. They're really pretty. So just going around. Or lavender. I've been eating off my peppers. Thank God for peppers in the garden. They've grown really big. And my eggplants. Are doing really good. I've been eating off that. My okra is a lifesaver. I've been eating off my okra plants. So, and the flowers, the blooms are just beautiful. Right here, I planted some mustard greens. Giant mustard green, red mustard green, some Asian cabbage, some purple cabbage. There is bok choy. Then I planted more bok choy, and they're just starting to sprout. I planted some artichoke in here. There is some potatoes in here, my raspberry plant. I've got some radishes, and they're probably ready to be harvested. I'll probably wait until tomorrow. I think tomorrow we should have a sunny day. Again, the collard green, I need to get out here and treat it, but with all this rain, it's kind of hard. But yeah, there is that collard greens, some new sprouts. I have some beans, some purple wax beans. That's doing good. And then I have some yellow wax beans. Of course, I have carrots, my carrots, some more eggplant right there. I have some fennel. My fennel is doing really good. It's my first time growing fennel. Kale, doing really good. Regular kale looks really good. And then I got some onions mixed in with that. Of course, I companion plant. So that kale looks really good. Some more beans. My Thai basil. Regular basil. Then I planted some butter crunch lettuce, which is sprouted. Doing really good. I'm excited about that. Some more onions, some chives. Then I planted some Swiss chard with all the rain. Hopefully it plants. There's some more Swiss chard, some chamomile, and then my broccoli. Gonna have some cauliflower, some rosemary in between there, some thyme, some beets. Looks like something's been eating on my beets, but with all this rain, it's kind of hard to treat it. So hopefully when this rain goes, I'll be able to get out here and treat. Some cilantro in the back, some more parsley, of course. Oh, my beautiful mint. And then I have apple mint, and then my tomato plant is still hanging in there, y'all. It still has blossoms on it. So as long as it has the blossoms, I'm gonna hold on to this. This tomato plant has been with me from the beginning of the summer. So hopefully another 2 weeks, it's still producing. Then I have some purple cabbage. I have some romaine lettuce right here. Some more, the black Mexican radishes. And then I have some romaine lettuce, some more radishes, some more apple mint, and I have some mustard greens right there, and then again some red giant leaf mustard greens, and going down there I have my Asian greens, and then the brick is to remind me, I planted spinach here. You can see this spinach sprouted, but the brick is to remind me not to step in that area because I have some spinach and some more Asian greens growing. So just wanted to give you a short little update. I think I've got some more peppers. This pepper plant is 5 feet, y'all. 5 feet. My pepper plant and my eggplant is 5 feet. And then here I have some more spinach growing along. So yep, I dropped some seeds all in this little area. So I'm pretty excited. Everything is growing in between. Sorry it took so long for an update, but with all the rain and everything growing, I was just kind of waiting. I was able to harvest some green tomatoes, as you saw in the video, and then also some peppers, which I've been making some really good meals with that, and I will be updating. So I wanted to thank you for watching, and again, just sharing that update with all of you. I pray everybody is well, staying healthy, and everyone's gardens are growing. until my next update, which will probably be a cooking update or a canning update, as I'm learning how to can, and I've been doing a lot of canning. I will see you all soon. As always, stay loving, be kind, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Blessings. To plant the pumpkin easy grow monster. Wow, first time growing pumpkins, and in this pack there was only 2 seeds, so I'm assuming this pumpkin grows huge. So I'm going to plant 1 seed and save 1 seed for the next growing season. So all right, so just 1 seed. All right, saying a prayer over it. Hopefully it grows, and I will keep you updated on the pumpkin easy grow monster. Thanks for watching. Oh, you want to be in the video? So I have like 3 acres, and I am planting this pumpkin all the way back on the end of my yard because, well, if it gets big, it's got plenty of room to grow. And so come walk with me. Okay, so I'm gonna find a nice little spot. I've never gardened back here, so yeah, so the pumpkin is going way back here.